Thank you again to the entire team here at Fagron. I am really grateful to serve as your Wichita mayor. My name is Lily Wu. I serve as the 103rd mayor for the city of Wichita. I am the first woman elected to this position for a full term and just got into office in January of 2024. So it is with great pleasure and excitement that I stand before you today to make a significant milestone in the advancement of our city. Today, we celebrate the groundbreaking of Fagron Sterile Services, FSS, new state-of-the-art quality testing lab right here in the largest city in the state of Kansas. We'd like to congratulate the entire team for this wonderful collaboration and groundbreaking and an investment right here in our city. It means a lot to us when we see businesses not only investing their capital, but investing their time to making this a better place so that we can have jobs and we can have a better community for all. This groundbreaking event symbolizes continued progress for STEM investments right here in Wichita. The new lab not only introduces cutting-edge technology and capabilities, but it will also strengthen the city's workforce by bringing in skilled STEM professionals. Fagron's quality testing lab expansion demonstrates their dedication to enhancing healthcare outcomes and aligns perfectly with our city's mission and values of trust as well as service. Fagron has been a global leader in pharmaceutical compounding for over 3 decades, supporting patient care in over 30 countries from more than 80 innovative facilities. Today, their commitment to excellence brings them to expand their Wichita operations, where they will deliver top-tier sterile pharmaceutical compounding services that support a reliable supply of safe, quality medications and ultimately patient care in hospitals, ambulatory surgery centers, clinics, and physicians' offices across the United States. Employees at this site here in Wichita are impacting millions of patient lives each year. So know that your mission is helping citizens of right here in our community as well as throughout the United States. This new laboratory will not only bring cutting-edge technology and capabilities to our city, but will also bring approximately 24 new chemists, microbiologists, and support staff to our city, further enriching our diverse and talented workforce. But beyond the economic impact, Fagron's presence in Wichita represents something greater. It represents a shared commitment to improving healthcare outcomes, supporting critical care, labor and delivery, pain management, enhancing access to a more reliable supply of the critical medications produced here at this site. Moreover, Fagron is actively engaged in the fight to end the drug shortage crisis through partnerships with industry-leading patient advocacy groups like Angels for Change, the End Drug Shortage Alliance, and the ASHP Foundation. Their dedication to making a positive impact on patient care in our community and beyond aligns perfectly with Wichita's values, again, of trust and service. As we break ground on this new facility, let us not only celebrate the physical operation that will soon come to fruition, but also the partnership forged, the lives touched, and the opportunities created. Like Fagron says, together we create the future of personalizing medicine. So let's continue to build a brighter future together and embrace this exciting occasion as we celebrate the impact of this new lab, which will bring in the efforts to support safe and reliable patient care. Congratulations to you all.